Is your mouse not clicking or not working at all? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple and working solutions to fix this issue easily. But first, if your built-in mouse or touchpad isn't working, try connecting an external USB mouse to continue with these steps. Step 1. Open the Task Manager. Use the shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Now scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Click on it and then hit the Restart button at the bottom right. If your mouse still isn't working, don't worry, you can do this using only your keyboard too. Press Tab to move through options. Select Windows Explorer. Then press Tab again to reach the top ribbon and hit Enter on the Restart button. Now let's try fixing it using command prompt. First, open CMD as administrator. Then paste this command, gpupdate, and hit Enter. Wait until it completes. Next, paste this command, chkdsk, then press Enter again. Let the scan finish. This will check your disk and fix any errors that might be affecting your system. Finally, let's check the mouse driver. Open command prompt and paste this command. dev.msc. This opens Device Manager. Use the arrow keys or mouse to go to mice and other pointing devices. Click to expand, then right-click your mouse device and select Uninstall Driver. Don't worry, Windows will automatically reinstall the driver when you restart your computer.